What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. JasmyCoin is making a little bit of a move today, so I wanted to talk about the movement there, the price, my predictions in the end, and just kind of keeping hope alive in what I believe to be JasmyCoin's success. If you could, make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. If you guys are interested in trading JasmyCoin, because I still feel like it's at a good price, I wish I would muster up the courage to buy 1 million more JasmyCoin because I do believe in it so much. It's just I haven't earmarked any money for any new cryptocurrency purchases. And I'm a little upset about that because you saw JasmyCoin at low levels, definitely low compared to the high that we've seen, market cap wise, price wise, all of that stuff. So anyways, if you guys want to buy JasmyCoin, feel free to check out my link down below for BTCC. This is a platform that I've been using for a year. You have the ability to trade all the way up to a 500x leverage. And if you specifically use my link, you can get a 10% deposit bonus on your first deposit, as well as have extra bonuses up to $10,055, up to 40% lower trading fees. And again, you could trade 300 plus cryptocurrencies at, or around the 500 x leverage or even lower, right? You can trade it at a more reasonable level, 2x, 3x, 5x, or 500x. Now, I always recommend somewhere around the 2 to 10x leverage, never anything really more than that unless you see a crazy opportunity where everything dropped down to insanely low lows, then take $1, go at a 500x leverage and see the gains that you end up seeing, which is crazy. But anyways, but make sure you set a stop loss if you're going to do that because you don't want to lose anything more than $1. So if you lose your investment, it's $1, right? But if you gain, it's massive. So feel free to check it out. Link is at the top of the description. If you need some information or you want to talk about it, we can always talk about, investing in leverage trading over on Patreon or on Twitter or something like that. So anyways, what I wanted to talk about here today is JasmyCoin. There have been many conversations recently about JasmyCoin and how things haven't looked up. We haven't seen any positivity and things have just collapsed and it's gotten to lower lows and some people have claimed that they give up on it, right? And you can do whatever you want with your play. I'm not going to be mad at you. It is your investment. I won't be mad if you sold it today. I won't be mad if you sold it at the 6 cent price point because I want everybody to profit. And I want you to see the success within investing in crypto, and JasmyCoin is a great play. It currently sits at a 1 cent price point. It just broke the 1 cent, so dropping a zero, which is great, and getting to a 16% gain in the last 24 hours, which is great. It's up to a $517 million market cap with $62 million worth of volume. Also, there's 97,000 holders, inching our way close to the 100,000 mark for holders. But speaking of hundreds of thousands, you have 242 watch lists that this is on, not including mine. For some reason, I do have it on my watch list, so I don't know why it's not showing up like that. But also 245,000 followers on CoinMarketCap. So this definitely has hype potential. It has belief. It has the community sentiment, as you could see, of 87%. So things are up. Things are looking great for this. Recently, we saw this as low as 80% of a penny, 79% of a penny, which is great because many people have told me that they loaded up on JasmyCoin, that they bought another 1 million JasmyCoin. And I'm so jealous. I'm so jealous of the fact that you were able to purchase another 1 million JasmyCoin, because if I would purchase that other 1 million JasmyCoin, it gives me the ability to take my short-term profits as we move along, as well as be able to profit in the end and become an official JasmyCoin millionaire. Even though I'm going to make a large amount of money from other plays that I have, it just always is great to be a millionaire from specific positions that I truly believe in and talk about quite a bit, especially when many people in the comment section come through and are like, you're wrong about JasmyCoin. It's never going to see a $1 billion market cap, and then it does. And then they're like, well, it's never going to see a $2 billion market cap, and then it does. And they're like, well, you're not going to see the level that you want to see. And I can't wait to even prove them wrong there. And when we do see that success, I don't really want to rub it in anybody's face. I want people to be as profitable as possible. And I hope the best for those people. I just know that what I believe in, I have high conviction for. So you can say whatever you want to me, and I'm always going to have the same mindset that I believe in JasmyCoin. I believe this to go so much further. Now, if we look at my position that I have on my Coinbase account, I have $9,391.39. I have 900,000 JasmyCoin in my possession for short-term use. I also have 100,000 that's sitting in my Forever wallet that I do not plan to touch. So as it gets to a level of $1, I will have $100,000 in JasmyCoin. However, I don't plan on doing anything with it, even at that level of $1, because you never know what's going to happen. It's one of my forever cryptocurrencies, and whatever I make from it, whether it's hundreds of thousands or tens of thousands, I will be psyched. I will be very, very happy with what I end up getting in the end. My path shows that I should make hundreds of thousands of dollars. But if I could find a way to gather more JasmyCoin at around my cost basis, then I could potentially make multiple or at least $1 million here. So JasmyCoin is a great play. I'm not going to tell you that this is the best play that you can possibly own. It is one of my favorite plays in my portfolio that I spent $4,000 on and is currently sitting at about $10,000 right now. So not only did I double my investment, I even saw it get up to a level of $60,000. The only thing that really bothers me and kind of doesn't at the same point is not knowing where the absolute high point is and knowing that it was going to get back down to a 70% of a penny level. Because if I had a crystal ball that could tell me JasmyCoin was going to get up to $60,000 for my balance and that it would come back down to about $7,000 or $8,000, that I would have taken half, if not more than that, and put that back in at the bottom, because that's how much I believe in it. But it would have been a little bit of a journey, because how long did it take for it to go from 6 cents all the way back down to 1 cent, or even less than 1 cent? If we look at the last year, this was about a year ago that we saw this get up to a 6 cent level. So not only are you waiting, months, you're waiting a year basically in order to get to these low levels again and finally put your money back in there. Most likely, if I took money from that, I would find another opportunity somewhere that was closer. Now, it looks like we did see it a little bit closer from that. So from this level about December to April, we saw it down to 1 cent again. So I could have been able to do that, but that's still months to get to that point, over a quarter in order to get to that point. So most likely I would have saw other opportunities and I would have been like, let me put my money into this. Would love if I can see it go 6 cents and then next day it's down to 1 cent, because now I can put that money back in there immediately, right? But again, no one has a crystal ball. No one knows that these things are going to happen. But JasmyCoin is seeing some decent success in the last 24 hours, up by 15 or 16% today. And I hope to see a lot more as we move forward here. So hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Let me know what you think about JasmyCoin and where you believe it's going. My prediction is more about seeing this hit my price targets. So I still want to see 10 to 20 cents by the end of this year, and anything could happen, right? I really want to see 10 to 20 cents by the end of this year if we truly see altcoin season happen, government shutdown, kind of fades away and opens back up and everything there, all the positive things start to happen with cryptocurrency and with the markets, and then we see JasmyCoin explode. That's what I'm hoping for by the end of this year, but I'm not banking on it, right? 2026 can be the year. 2027 can be the year. I don't need the money right now. That's the thing, is patience really does pay off if you have it. Guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.